Introducing the 2023 Volvo XC90 T8 PHEV plus dark AWD SUV packed with luxury, safety and technology features to enhance every drive. From the sleek grey exterior to the advanced interior comforts like satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity and ambient lighting, this vehicle has it all. Safety is a top priority with features like ABS, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. Stylish details like roof rails, glass roof and spoiler add to the overall appeal. This vehicle also comes with a powertrain warranty and full multi-point health and safety check. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional Volvo XC90. Drive in style, luxury and peace of mind with this incredible SUV.